On a busy job site, the right tools make all the difference, and Wiha is built exactly for that. From high-precision electric screwdrivers to rugged storage and smart hand tools, this lineup is designed to handle real work without slowing you down. Whether you're just starting out or deep into the trade, Wiha keeps your workflow moving without friction. Working in dark or power-limited environments becomes far less challenging with the Wiha handlamp 800 lumens, built to deliver strong and reliable illumination wherever the job takes you. This compact yet powerful work light features a high-performance COB LED that offers multiple brightness levels, including 60 lumens for subtle lighting, 100 lumens for general tasks, and 500 lumens for more demanding visibility. When maximum brightness is needed, the boost mode pushes output all the way up to 800 lumens, ensuring your entire workspace is clearly visible. On top of that, an additional SMD LED with 150 lumens on the top side adds even more flexibility for different lighting angles and tasks. Despite its power, the lamp keeps a minimalist, ultra-light design that easily fits into shirt or pants pockets, making it ideal for professionals constantly on the move or working in tight spaces. Its robust aluminum housing is built to handle tough environments, offering impact resistance IKO7 and splash water protection at IPS 5, so it holds up in demanding conditions. Two strong magnets on the front and rear, along with a convenient belt clip, allow you to securely attach the lamp to various surfaces, keeping both hands free while working. With an impressive runtime of up to 11 hours and easy recharging via USB-C, this hand lamp proves to be a dependable lighting solution for everyday job site challenges where electricity is not always available. Speed, precision, and reduced physical strain come together perfectly in the Wiha SpeedE Pocket Driver electric screwdriver, making it a highly versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on cable channels, industrial installations, furniture assembly, or general fastening tasks, this compact electric screwdriver is designed to handle both delicate and demanding jobs with ease. Its electric drive system allows you to tighten and loosen screws quickly at the push of a button, significantly reducing stress on muscles and joints during repetitive work. For sensitive applications, the torque can be limited to 1.0 Newton meters, protecting materials from damage caused by over-tightening. When more power is needed, it can handle screw connections up to 5.0 Newton meters electrically, such as driving screws up to 4 by 60 millimeters into spruce wood. And for even tougher jobs, the automatic motor protection allows it to function as a manual screwdriver with up to 12 Newton meters of force. The included bit box provides 30 different bits, and the magnetic holder ensures quick and secure bit changes, giving you maximum flexibility across different tasks. 6 powerful LEDs positioned around the bit holder illuminate the entire work area evenly, eliminating shadows and improving accuracy. Its lightweight and compact design makes it especially useful for overhead work and confined spaces, while its pocket-friendly size ensures it's always within reach. USB-C charging keeps it ready for daily use, and the anti-roll handle design prevents it from slipping off surfaces, adding even more convenience to your workflow. Keeping everything organized while staying mobile becomes much easier with the Wiha Tool Backpack, designed to function as both a portable workshop and a smart storage system. The backpack features a thoughtfully designed layout with 77 storage compartments and 30 flexible attachment options, allowing you to customize it based on your tools and workflow. Its partial opening design gives quick access to essential tools without fully unpacking the bag, saving time on busy job sites. Built from durable 1680D material and equipped with high-quality YKK zippers, it's made to handle tough working environments. The reinforced base tray ensures the backpack stands securely even when open, making it practical for wet, uneven, or dirty conditions. Beyond tool storage, it also doubles as a mobile office, offering a dedicated compartment for laptops, documents, and personal items, keeping them clean and protected from tools. Comfort is not overlooked, with adjustable breathable straps and a sturdy non-slip handle for easy carrying. The backpack also includes a selection of VDE-certified Wiha tools, such as screwdrivers, pliers, L-keys, and more, making it a complete solution for electricity. Additionally, the integrated mole system allows further expansion with extra accessories, giving you even more flexibility as your needs grow. Tackling stubborn or tightly fastened screws becomes far more manageable with the Wiha double-ring ratchet wrench 4-in-1. Instead of carrying multiple wrenches, this design covers 4 common sizes: 10mm, 13mm, 17mm, and 19mm, helping reduce weight and free up valuable toolbox space. Its 72-tooth ratchet mechanism provides a minimal 5-degree return angle, allowing precise work even in tight spaces where movement is limited. The integrated switching lever makes it easy to change rotation direction, and the double hex geometry ensures a secure fit on fasteners, reducing the risk of slipping. Switching between sizes is quick and simple. Just rotate the wrench to access the desired size. Built from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it offers excellent durability, corrosion resistance, and easy cleaning, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. Precision and reliability are critical when working with photovoltaic systems, and the Wiha crimp tool is built to deliver both. Designed specifically for MC4 solar connectors, it handles cable sizes of 2.5, 4, and 6 millimeters squared with ease. The tool automatically adjusts its pressure force based on the cable size, ensuring each crimp is consistent, secure, and properly executed. An integrated emergency release function allows you to stop and reset the crimping process at any time, giving you added control and safety during operation. The tool is designed for both right and left-handed users, offering a clear view of the crimping area for better precision. Ergonomic anti-slip handles provide comfort during extended use, while the toggle lever mechanism enhances force transmission, making the crimping process smoother and less physically demanding. Handling multiple fastening tasks without constantly switching tools becomes simple with the Wiha SoftFinish 11-in-1 multi-driver. This compact solution combines a wide range of tip options, including Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square, allowing you to adapt quickly to different jobs. The chrome-coated steel shaft adds durability and also functions as a nut driver for 3 common sizes, adding even more versatility. A cushioned grip ensures comfort and control during use, while flat sides prevent the tool from rolling away. Precision fit tips reduce slipping and improve efficiency, helping you achieve clean and accurate fastening every time. Accessing hex keys quickly and efficiently becomes effortless with the Wiha Light Key Set in the ProStar holder. This 9-piece set includes standard sizes from 1.5 to 10 millimeters, covering a wide range of applications. The ProStar holder features a push and tilt mechanism that allows fast removal of keys while keeping them securely locked in place whether the holder is open or closed. Each key features a ball end that allows fastening at angles up to 25 degrees, making it ideal for tight or hard-to-reach areas. The color-coded and luminescent coating ensures the keys are easy to find, even in low light conditions or under UV light, reducing time spent searching for tools. Taking on a wide variety of fastening tasks becomes much easier with the Wiha 60 pieces nut driver and bit set. It includes a broad selection of 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch nut driver inserts ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters and 10 to 34 millimeters, along with 19 bits, 2 ratchets, extensions, and universal joints. The 72-tooth ratchet mechanism ensures precise control with minimal movement, while the switching lever allows quick direction changes. Extensions make it easy to reach deep-set fasteners, and the locking mechanism keeps components securely connected. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, the set is built for long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion, all neatly organized in a stackable L-box system for easy transport and storage. Applying high torque becomes more controlled and comfortable with Wiha's soft grip T-handle hex keys. The dual material handles provide a secure grip, while the blade through handle design ensures maximum force transfer without flex. Each handle is sized to match the blade for improved leverage, and the combination of standard and ball end tips allows both straight and angled fastening. The black oxide finish enhances durability and corrosion resistance,
making these keys reliable for demanding tasks. Switching between fastening tasks quickly and efficiently is made easy with the Wiha Drive Lock System 4. This system features interchangeable blades for slotted, Phillips, and Torx applications, all of which snap into place securely. The adjustable blade length allows you to extend reach or work comfortably in tight spaces, while the locking mechanism ensures stability during use. Compact and easy to carry, it is a versatile solution for both detailed and general tasks. Keeping essential bits organized and portable is simple with Wiha GoBox bit sets. These compact metal cases are designed for durability and easy transport, making them perfect for both professionals and DIY users. Many sets include a 72-tooth mini ratchet for tight spaces, while Terminator Blue impact bits provide extended lifespan through torsion technology. Precision microbit sets and ESD-safe options add versatility, making them suitable for everything from heavy-duty fastening to delicate electronics work. Handling delicate components safely becomes much easier with the Wiha 10-piece ESD Tweezer Set. Each tweezer is designed to prevent static discharge, protecting sensitive electronics during assembly or repair. The set includes multiple tip styles for different precision tasks, all stored in a durable metal case for organization and protection. Whether you are working on fine electronics or detailed assemblies, this set ensures accuracy and control. Comfort and durability come together with Wiha's SoftFinish screwdrivers, designed for extended use without fatigue. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, allowing you to apply consistent torque with less effort. Precision machined tips ensure a perfect fit, reducing slipping and protecting fasteners. Built from high-quality tool steel with corrosion-resistant finishes, these screwdrivers are made to withstand demanding environments.
Cleaning and preparing conduit edges becomes faster and more precise with the Wiha SoftFinish Conduit Reamer. It removes burrs from both inside and outside edges, protecting wire insulation and ensuring proper installation. The tool can be used manually for better control or attached to a drill for faster work. Its slotted tip design helps reduce slipping, while durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Wiha Extra Heavy Duty and MicroFinish Screwdrivers. For the toughest fastening jobs, Wiha Extra Heavy Duty screwdrivers deliver exceptional strength and durability. Their full-tang construction runs through the handle, while a metal striking cap allows hammering without damage. Hex-reinforced blades provide extra torque when used with a wrench, and MicroFinish handles ensure a secure grip even in oily conditions. Organized foam trays keep tools protected and easy to access.
Tackling fasteners in tight or awkward spaces becomes effortless with the Wiha MagicRing Ball-End Hex L-Key Set. Its standout feature, the MagicRing, is a durable steel spring built into the ball end that grips screws securely, letting you manage fasteners with just one hand. The ball end design adds extra versatility, allowing users to turn screws at angles up to 25 degrees, making even hard-to-reach fasteners accessible without awkward maneuvering. Keys are stored in a smart ErgoStar holder that lets you rotate the largest key to fan out the others at 90-degree angle for quick, hassle-free selection. Each key is clearly marked for size, reducing guesswork and speeding up workflow. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the compact and organized design make the set easy to carry. The Wiha MagicRing Ball-End Hex L-Key Set is a game-changer for precise, efficient fastening anywhere.
Speed and efficiency improve instantly with Wiha color-coded nut setters. Bright color markings make it easy to identify the correct size quickly, reducing downtime. Magnetic tips hold fasteners securely, even in difficult positions, while durable chromium molybdenum steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Designed for high-torque applications, they handle demanding jobs with ease. Achieving precise torque control becomes effortless with the Wiha TorqueVario series.
Adjustable settings allow you to dial in exact torque values, while a clear click confirms when the desired level is reached. Soft handles provide comfort, and specialized versions include insulated and ESD-safe options for added safety. These tools are ideal for applications where accuracy is critical. Cutting tough materials becomes significantly easier with Wiha BiCut compound cutters. A push-button mechanism instantly doubles cutting power, allowing you to switch between standard and high-force modes. Whether cutting wires, nails, or chains, the tool adapts quickly to the task. Multiple handle options ensure comfort and safety, while the compound action reduces effort and increases efficiency. Portability and convenience come together with the Wiha PocketStar Fold-Out Hex Key Set. Its compact design fits easily into pockets, while a push-button mechanism allows quick access to each key. Clearly marked sizes and a durable handle ensure ease of use and reliability, making it ideal for on-the-go fastening tasks.
Tool organization gets smart and mobile with the Wiha GoStack storage system, designed for professionals who need efficiency on the move. Multiple cases stack and lock securely, keeping tools organized and easy to reach. Internal bit holders lift out quickly, streamlining a lift, grab, go workflow. Heavy-duty screwdriver bits undergo heat treatment to last up to 200 times longer than standard bits, while impact-rated nut setters with strong magnets and a secure socket adapter handle tough fastening tasks. Compact and modular, Wiha GoStack lets you carry, access, and protect all your essential tools with ease, making it ideal for demanding jobs on site.
Which Wiha tool grabbed your attention today? Drop your favorite in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe to catch more tool highlights and tips.